This episode will be featuring Bentley. I can hear you back here. It's good.
That's not good. Bring it closer.
It's 3, 2, 1.
Bring it
Closer. 1, 2, 3.
Boo. Say 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1. Action.
Yeah.
Elderberry. Vitamin C. Bentley vitamins. I'm making my meant to be bar, but I'm making it cold processed. You know, I was making it melt and pour before. Now I'm making it cold processed. But it's really moringa and mint.
What's this in here?
That's my lye and water solution. Thank you. Okay, this is again where we need it to be.
That need to be at? Wasn't that 130 to 140 or something?
110 to 130.
110 to 130, okay.
So now I could. Yes. So I didn't put it in my turmeric and carrot bar that I just made.
So you gotta keep that in the mold for longer?
Nah, I actually forgot to do this like for my last couple of soaps. So I still take it out within 2 days. Just be a little more careful for real, because it might be a little softer. It also depends on what I even put in my soap that might make it soft. Like honey makes it soft. One more time. Okay, 126. And now I need to start my oil. Okay. I'm finally low on this one.
And that is?
Olive oil, the one I use the most of. My recipe calls for 13 ounces. That's the most oil I use of one oil.
But it's another one over there, ain't it?
Yeah.
Olive oil. Pure. Olive oil.
This is just a basic ass recipe. It's really called old fashioned. And it's basically using olive oil, coconut oil, and palm oil. That's like a standard basic recipe you can use. Eventually I want to start using like other shit. Like I want to use shea butter, mango butter, just other stuff like avocado oil, sunflower oil. It's gonna depend on like what bar I'm making for it, but I want to get like really cold with it and use like other shit. Come up with my own real recipes. Ooh, 11.
So, how would investors in this space, obviously, some of these stocks have gone up quite a bit. What are the investors focused on as the base debate going forward, sources of potential surprise in the software industry today?
Great question, Jake. I thought about that myself as I joined the Goldman Sachs. We see a big growth forward us during 2020. The growth obviously is accurate now. 2020, Goldman Sachs stock universe was up about 90%. It's very rare to see the count.
So we got olive. Now I'm about to melt palm.
That is which one?
Palm oil.
And next we are melting.
After the palm oil, we're gonna melt the coconut oil. But while that's melting, I'm gonna weigh out castor oil.
How long you gotta put that in for?
Just like a minute.
A minute?
Yeah, it'll be good.
It'd be that hard?
Yeah, you gotta get it to it's liquidy. If you only do it like 30 seconds, like it's still gonna be chunky. I'll show you one with that one. Like you damn near need it to be liquid while you pouring. See, like you damn near want it like that. This one is still soft from last time, but I need it softer. Especially this one. This one you need it to be like this. Because this is what makes your bar soap hard. Palm oil.
Like harden it?
Yeah, palm oil. Coconut oil makes your bar softer, but also like really fluffy bubbles. Like a really really good lather. I did. There we go. 9.0. Alright. Now, coconut oil.
Like a heat pack.
Right.
I feel the warm. How much of this you need?
9. Shit, Sue. Damn. Okay, I'll take that.
What's this you heating up now? All of the oils?
Yeah. No,
Wait,
microwave dirty. Oh yeah. I forgot that oil. I was like, damn, it don't look like enough. Cause I forgot to add that. And it's not that bad. It really just needs like I'm about to mix some of the moringa powder with the fragrance oil. Just because I don't want to dump the powder straight in there. That's good. Just all melted down. And really, I'm ready to start soaping now because it's at 99. We doing it for the 99. It's ready. You ready? I just added moringa powder.
Into what?
My fragrance oil, which is mint. It's eucalyptus, mint, and peppermint.
Okay.
So I think I'm gonna do one more scoop. Okay, I'm just gonna mix that up, and then I ain't gonna put it in there. I'm gonna wait till we get back.
No, I gotta record mommy.
Mommy has to say 1, 2, 3, action.
What are you doing, Alvin?
Pouring the last solution into my oils.
Because I am the closing not mommy.
See them bubbles? Turning it into soap.
Daddy, because I am the closing my mommy.
Alright, I'm about to split the batch.
Meaning like 2 separate things.
I'm just saving this. I'm leaving that white for cream. And I'm gonna turn this green. This is my moringa and my peppermint essential oil and my eucalyptus essential oil. And moringa powder.
So why are you leaving the other one?
Because I want to create a swirl.
Oh, okay.
Damn, I should have started it up a little bit. But it's straight. It's still like a paste.
You about to blend it again, ain't you?
No, I'm going to leave it like that. Yes. We need a water. Get that water bottle up there. Here, you got it. Well, put the thermometer down and drink some water. I'm gonna add more moringa powder because I want it more green. That's not that bad, trust me. I done fucked up and like the whole, so much is like spilled in there before. You smell it? It's the mint. It's gonna dry a different color too. It's gonna turn green like my bar. You see the bar? I'm about to just pour it in.
Metro on that beat. Like pull that they don't like to see you winning. They wanna see you in a penitentiary. I need me a little baby who gon' listen.